What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another trade recap video slash annotation video for Monday 1/26/26, and I'm gonna be going over my daily bias and the what I saw in the market today and my thoughts. So yeah, I'm gonna get into it, and I'm gonna start out here by going to my NQ chart and breaking down the daily bias for the day and why I was bullish. Today was a very easy day for the bias, and I'll explain why. The main reason was because we had manipulation. So looking at this candle on the 4-hour chart here, at 6 p.m. New day open, we had our manipulation of all of this accumulation. So I'm looking at this just like an AMD model. We have accumulation, we have our manipulation, and now we have our distribution. So this long wick like this was a key bullish signature for price when we leave a long wick sweeping all of this trendline liquidity, so and then moving higher for the New York session today and taking this previous day high. Another reason why I was bullish was I do think we are in a market maker buy model towards these highs here. We have really good LR slash trendline liquidity, whatever you want to call it. Right here we have 5 points touching, which is a really good draw on liquidity, and I think price is overall drawing to here, and we've already taken out this high, so that's really good. I do expect these highs to be taken this week, if not the next coming days, so hopefully we'll see that. Going down to the hourly now, we had an inverse of this little bitty hourly FEG here. So that was another cause for me to be bullish. And again, this also can be like, okay, this is our London manipulation here, right at 3, price dumps, and then retraces back up, inverse in this hourly. And also, this can be looked at as a pullback from this right here, pullback into discount. If you measure the dealing range from the low of this wick, it's not a discount. I don't like it. I'd measure from here when I see this in the morning when I wake up. We had this inverse. Now moving to the 15-minute, we had price come up, obviously inverse of this. We had relative equal highs at this 15-minute high. So there's a minor buy side. We also had this 15-minute fair value gap that's unmitigated right here. And we had I believe a 4-hour. Yeah. We had this 4-hour right here. That was also already tapped into, so I wanted to see price inverse these to fully solidify my bias of being bullish. And I was thinking, okay, if we were to be bearish, what's my condition? Because you have to develop a condition, right? And my condition was if this low, this London sell side low, gets ran, swept, ran, whatever, I'm bearish, because I should not see price move back down after creating a price signature like this, sweeping this, all these LR lows, coming up, filling this INWOG, coming back down for a retrace, inversing up higher. I should not see price come back down for a retrace or any other move lower if we are bullish. So this is my condition for bearishness. And that was pretty much my bias today. We also, the final thing I will say my bias, we had really good LR on previous day. So we had really good lower highs here. And that's why I was bullish. Another reason why I was bullish for the day. So now going to my annotations here, I'll show you the trades that I did not take because there wasn't any entries today. I mean, there were, but there weren't any really good entries that I liked. So to start off, we had a 15-minute here that was unmitigated. Price ripped higher, almost taking these relative equal highs before market opened. Didn't quite get there. When market opened, price came down, tapped right into CE of this 15-minute, mitigated it, moved higher with pretty good speed. This was the one trade that I thought was the best trade for the day here. It was a little 30-second scalp. I don't like trading 30-second time frames. I'm not used to it. I know it's the same, just lower time frame. I just think that you can catch a lot of losses trading 30 seconds really quick if you're not really sure on where price wants to go. This 30-second inverse, after price tapped and swept these lows into the 15-minute CE, you'd target likely this buy side liquidity. Now, if you did go break even at this high, you would have got stopped out break even. And this is just a conviction thing that I've learned from trading. If I were to take this, I wouldn't go break even here just because I'm like, okay, I really want price to go higher, and I really think price is going to go higher. So this is it's a conviction thing that you just get from experience trading. But going back to the 1 minute, price just rips higher pretty much for the entire day. And there weren't really that many great setups. We have price respecting this 1 minute, moving higher. Price sub takes equal highs, comes back down. We had a little 30-second here, but I'm not taking it because it's way too high in the range. We're already very, very high in premium. We had this little 30-second inverse, and we didn't sweep anything, didn't tap into anything. So this wasn't a good trade. If you took this, I don't know what you were doing. You should not have taken this. But that was about it. Price was pretty choppy up. So I did see a lot of people were looking for a 10 o'clock reversal just because of how choppy price was. We came up, we swept this buy side here, and I was looking at some people and they were taking these shorts. There's a 30-second fair value gap. We get here, right there, and they're taking shorts down to here, targeting liquidity down here. Now, I was pretty sure price was going to go up and chop for the rest of the day for two reasons. It's a Monday, and we have no reason for price to go lower. There's absolutely no reason for price to chop and go sideways for the day or go lower and take this sell side liquidity. So I was really wanting to see price just move higher today. It's a Monday, lower volatility, and just chop higher for the rest of the day, and that's what we got. And that's about it. Another thing I saw people doing was we had equal lows down here, and people were thinking shorts down to these equal lows, but relative equal. But again, bias is bullish. No reason for price to move lower. Now, I would have liked to have seen price come lower and mitigate this 15 minute, because this 15 minute is unmitigated, and I really would have liked to have seen this be retraced to. So we didn't get that, but yeah, overall pretty bad day. And that's about it. Bias, macro, of course, took liquidity higher, and then we just chop. So yeah, that's about it, guys. And if you traded today, then you might want to learn don't trade. Today was a pretty bad day. I didn't take any trades, weren't anything good. So just be patient, stick to your model, and yeah, be consistent. I'll see you guys later.